Our kitchen, our kitchen lah pula.
Ada satu si ikan kikik, badan licin tidak bersisik. Taruh di bakul lendir menitik, suka makan si anak itik. Ikan kikik mak iloi iloi, ikan gelama.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to have another very simple but very tasty recipe. Is brine roasted chicken. Maksudnya ayam yang kita rendam layak garam. Betul lepas kita toast, kita bakar. Mengikut kawan-kawan saya, ayam ni sangatlah sedap. Pasal luar dia crispy dan dalam dia moist. So I hope perempuan akan tengok resipi ni dan menjadikan resipi baru ini kegemaran keluarga. Jadi ayam ni dah siap rendam layak garam. Rasa tu plus minus ayam garam tu kita rasa not so much not accordingly ikut cita rasa masing-masing. So this dah 24 hours in the fridge. So lepas ni saya akan buang ayam dan kita make sure ayam ni dry sebelum kita letak marinate.
Semut putih anai-anai, ya memang satu kaum. Roti prata, roti canai, asal dari
Okay, this is the chicken that was brined and dried. Kita tengok, if you look at it kan, kulit outside ni is dry. Jadi bila kita bakar, outside dia crispy, dalam dia moist. Okay, now I'm going to remove this little thingy yang I tak apa suka geli. Okay. And this part as well. I always buang yang ni sikit. I will remove this little thing. This one. And ni kepala ni. Tak berapa suka sebab tak berapa comel. Okay. Okay, now it's time for us to marinate. So saya letak kat sini my baking dish that I already put the aluminium foil and a bit of olive oil. So I have here one bowl, one lemon, one orange. Okay, what do I do with that? You squeeze the juice na, ambil ayam, the other half kita letak sini. Usually when I bake, I like to use pomegranate molasses, actually pati buah delima. You can get from any of the Middle Eastern shop, kedai Arab semua ada. Brand apa pun tak kira, semua sedap. Roasted garlic, okay, ginger, a bit of chili flake sebab saya suka pedas sikit, not too much. Paprika, not roasted paprika for a nice color to the chicken, tapi tak berapa pedas. Black pepper.
Mana dia peka, yang mana dia tuli, yang mana dia gatal, yang mana dia.
Now I'm going to lumok dekat the chicken. Okay. Kita turn sikit . Yang the leftover half of the orange ni, I'm going to put inside the bontot. And the other half of the lemon. Okay. And so I'm going to turn it that way so it's easier for you to see. Okay. So it's all done now. And the last is I'm going to put olive oil. Okay. Ni olive oil because it will make it crispy tapi tak burn. Olive oil doesn't burn. That's why kalau kita masak, kalau pakai olive oil, your thing don't get burn ya. The secret, we have butter, right? So what I'm going to do, so this is the skin. So I'm just going to put a bit in the skin. Alright, now Nani nak ikat dah kaki dia ni. Tadi tak apa nak sopan. Okey. Kita ikat lah. Okey, ni ikat hampa janganlah duk ikat pakai tali rafia lah pula. Ni kena tali ni, aku tak tahu ni cerita ni. Ni Tuan Director, nama tali ni tali apa Tuan Director? Lupa dah. Tali guni, alright. Okey, ni dah ikat ni. Okey lah, ayam kita ni ready lah nak masuk oven.
Ilai, kaki sakit mak iloi, pulang sama mak ilai. Ada satu si ikan buntai, perutnya kembung semacam kembai, berintik-rintik berkorai-korai.
Almost ready. Usually the last 5 minutes before, I will take this out, turn off the oven. Okay. Letak the last butter. So that bila dia set, dia macam dia cool down dalam oven, dia brown.
Menonglah punya pasai, kalau makan jangan menyesai. Kalau
I don't like my rosemary to be to be burnt. So I will put inside here sikit.
akan puput, tulang dia macam kulit sabut. Kalau makan jangan berebut, lekat tulang.
Our roast chicken dah ready. Lastly, nak potong ni. Okay, dia punya tali. Last kali rosemary untuk the final garnishing. And my roast chicken is ready. Jadi tak payah duk beli kat luar. Masak sendiri is healthier. You know what you put in your roast chicken? Enjoy.
Ada satu ikan sembilang, badannya hitam, ekornya panjang. 3 duri, 3 cabang, kalau kena tentu menyerang. Ada satu si ikan senangin, badan putih, kirau nak kuning. Orang tengok semua ingin, pasal harga jangan buat main. Ada satu si ikan parang, badannya panjang berbelang-belang. Isinya sikit banyak tulang,